Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Myntri Rangbah ke Jelau Konrad ke Sangma haka khat lai tarik unai weng arjar khat khandai ula Plie ba ya ke India International Cherry Blossom Festival arjar khat khandai kabala penlong hamadan polo Shillong haka rukam ka ba Shongkun Shongsbai. Hagani ka tamasa ka barakhi ya ka jingpho jong kisintiu cherry blossom ne kisintiu sanrai nakaliang ka sarkar jala ka lapan khreru bon ki program ki bayadai bar ka culture ba harukom hanong ba Shillong kabala sedang haka khatlai tarik unai weng arajar khat khandai bat kan kut haka khat nriu tarik mentau snem ya ka India International Cherry Blossom Festival arajar khat khandai lapan long harengkat ka jinge trailang bat ka embassy jong ka Republic of Korea batru ka Korean Cultural Center ki pait ba nong pait kai ba wan ka leng kin yo ru ya ka lat ban yo i ya ka jing ya kop pen i riam ki jing khawai jing rai ki jing ya kop thei ba brio baru wat ka jing le kai golf na lor kini la bu ru ya ki dukan ban pen i ya ki ja jing bam tan rai ba pher ki ba shet ha ga ni ka thain nang ta ki wine baru ki jing shna ba harukom na lor ba kin yo ru ya ka lat ban yo i ka jing pen i ya ka culture na Korea ki K-pop concert baru ki dukan bam jong ki nong Korea Hagajuk apor la ai lat ru ya ki pait ba bakin tip shushu ya ki lat ban yo lek pulia she South Korea. Ki jaka ban perlong ya ki tai ki program baper ki kentup nado kamadan 5th ground polo, State Central Library, Wards Lake, Golf Course, baru ha State Convention Center. Hagani ka kenti na kaliang unong kit teens jong ka South Korea unwan ban shimenta lang ha ka tai ka program ha ka khat santarik. Hagani ka sngi sedang la don ru ka fitness art, fashion show, but nostalgia. Elvis and Beatles show, malapenlong ha polo 5th ground, Wards Lake, ka Northeast NCC Cultural Jamboree, nalor ka tem ka put. Myntri Rangbah ka Jelau Konrad ke Sangma ula pelait pai baru ya ka kot Trees of Shillong, kabalapan mi da katanat forest and environment.
Friends, Meghalaya has always been a very popular destination for tourists. And it is the endeavor of Government of Meghalaya to ensure and see how we could enrich and really improve the experience of the tourist while they come to Meghalaya. And today, the Cherry Blossom Festival is one of those measures and steps that we are taking to give a different feel and different experience to the tourists who are coming in. And as was mentioned by the Honorable Minister, that this is something that goes with our nature. This is something that takes what is already gifted by God to us and we package it and we put it in front of the people so that they can experience it. So I think it's a great example of how the natural beauty of the state, the natural resources that we have, resources which are sustainable, can be utilized in a very, very effective manner, I should say, to create value out of something that already exists around us. And I think this is one of the indications, I should say, of the kind of strategy that we have for tourism. We want to focus on our natural strengths. We want to focus on our environment. We want to focus on the natural beauty that is there in the state and enhance the experience of our tourists coming in here. That is the only way to ensure that our tourism model can be sustainable in the long run. It is also another model where we can ensure that we get tourists who respect nature. I'm not saying that other tourists don't respect nature. I'm sure everybody has got respect, and I hope that everybody does have respect for nature. But the people who come in here come to experience how a city would look pink with all the cherry blossoms blossoming at the same time. And so these are kind of tourists that we would want to encourage to come in, and as I said, to see the tourism and the natural beauty that we have. And that again is one of the areas, as I said, of how we would like to develop our tourism model. I'm happy to inform you that a number of projects have been taken up by the tourism department. Some of them, like building up eco-friendly log houses in different parts of the state, where our tourists will be able to come in and really experience the real natural beauty, I should say, of the state. We have got many projects in the pipeline. Things like developing the Watts Lake, which is being developed by Forest Department. I'm very happy to inform you that very soon we will be coming out with a laser light show that will be put up in Watts Lake. We had tried our best to coincide it with this particular festival so people could experience that laser light show. But this will be a show that hopefully another 2 months, 3 months, it should be ready. But the water spring will act as a screen and the lasers will be projected on it. And of course, sound will be there. And through that laser show, we will be able to share the history and the culture of Meghalaya and the tourism Meghalaya, where tourists will actually be able to go and see it and experience it, and even the local people can do it. Tourism at Watts Lake has been one area which has been like a center point for us, but somehow we have not been able to create more value out of it. We felt strongly that we must do something to improve the experience of the tourist in Watts Lake. We are working on a very, very good project where the viewpoint in Umyam Lake is one area where we will be extending the platforms and creating a complete new experience with new viewpoints in Umyam Lake, in the same spot where the current viewpoint is, but a complete new design and new infrastructure has been proposed, and I hope that the work for that also will start very soon. We've also realized that tourists need new experiences when they come to Shillong and to Meghalaya as a whole. So we are working right now to bring in more technology, like in the form of cable cars, where the tourists will be able to actually experience and see the beauty of Shillong and Meghalaya from a different viewpoint. The project is still in the pipeline, but I'm very, very confident that we'll soon be able to implement that project too.